mai koutou, ko cassie toku ingoa. My name is Cassie.
And mo today, WINTON School, ko Olesia ahau. I am Olesia. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for our meeting the 13th of May.
Okay, let's get into te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is tātua, which is te reo for belt.
As in, about to hold up your pants.
Tātua, which is te reo for belt.
Ka pai, onto health and safety news. Hi VIZ VESTS, we need to wear them to and from school.
Especially as the mornings are getting darker and darker.
Okay, it's sausage sizzle, hot chocolate and cookie day. Please remember to line up nicely, use your manners and wait patiently while getting your kai.
Now if you've missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
All Year 7 and 8 basketball players to meet on the new courts at 12:40 for a lunchtime practice with Mr. T. Thank you. School Council.
Birthday news. None today at WINTON School, but 3 tomorrow.
Cody Laffey is turning 9.
While Sophie Chambers and Mason Maguire turns 8.
Rafino, kia koutou, have a fun on your birthdays.
And that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite a te wiki. See you next week.
Haere rā and see you at Assembly, WINTON School.